Share NS0 to 521 real questions to practice for NetApp Certified Implementation Engineer SAN ONTAP exam. 1. Which two NetApp features provide synchronous data replication between two sites for SAN workloads with automatic failover in case of a site disaster? Choose 2. A. Snap Mirror Active Sync. B. Snap Mirror SVM. C. Snap Mirror Synchronous. D. Metro Cluster IP. Answer: C, D. 2. A customer asks for help cloning one database loon from a SnapMirror destination volume for testing the data with a new application. What command should the administrator use to clone the loon? A. Volume file clone create. B. Loon wove start. C. Volume clone create. D. Volume move start. Answer: C. 3. A customer opens a support case for performance issues with an FC Oracle database after migrating from a NetApp AFF system to a NetApp All-SAN Array (ASA) platform. Further investigation shows that the number of paths exceeds the recommendation for SAN deployment. What are two ways to address this problem? Choose 2. A. Use selective loon mapping. B. Reconfigure the fabric switch zoning. C. Have the database team change their backup and recovery schedules for the database. D. Reconfigure the ALUA settings. Answer: A, B. 4. What needs to be done to create a consistent snapshot copy of a loon without disruptions? A. Ensure that the loon is the only one in the volume. B. Quiesce I/O to the loon. C. Ensure that the loon is unmapped from the host. D. Map the loon to a host. Answer: B. 5. A healthcare customer wants to implement an FC SAN solution consisting of a NetApp ONTAP system, Broadcom switches, and servers. Which tool contains detailed blueprints and implementation references that can be used to design this solution? A. NetApp Fusion. B. NetApp Verified Architecture. C. NetApp Active IQ Config Advisor. D. NetApp Active IQ Unified Manager. Answer: B. 6. An administrator creates a new volume and a loon for an SAN-connected application that uses snapshots. The application has fast-growing data that is constantly being populated and deleted afterwards. Which option can be set to manage the space automatically? A. Enable automatic resizing on the volume. B. Enable space reservation on the loon. C. Disable volume snapshot auto-delete. D. Unmap the loon. Answer: A. 7. What connectivity is required between NetApp ONTAP clusters in order to configure SnapMirror Active Sync across two data centers for FC? A. Dedicated FC switches and ISL. B. Shared FC switches. C. Cluster peering. D. Dedicated IP switches and ISL. Answer: C. 8. A 4-node NetApp ONTAP SAN cluster has been deployed. After installation, the engineer wants to verify cabling. Which NetApp tool should the engineer use? A. NetApp Host Utilities Package. B. Active IQ Config Advisor. C. Interoperability Matrix Tool. D. Hardware Universe. Answer: B. 9. An administrator has a NetApp AFF cluster with 2 SVMs serving LUNs. Snap Mirror Active Sync is configured, and a disaster recovery test is planned over the weekend. Which NetApp ONTAP command will show the status of this test? A. Snap Mirror Failover Show. B. Network Interface Failover Groups Show. C. Storage Failover HW Assist Show. D. Snap Mirror Config Replication Status Show. Answer: A. 10. During maintenance of a NetApp AFF ONTAP cluster, which 2 steps are needed to move the SAN UFs to new nodes that are members of a port set? Choose 2. A. Remove the leaf from the port set. B. Disable the SLM feature for the node that hosts the leaf. C. Disable the zoning of the leaf WWPN. D. Take the SAN leaf offline. Answer: A. D.